Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, August the 21st, 2023. And in this additional, I've already solved two puzzles: the 3 stars Sudoku and the 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain. By the way, I've made a mistake with the numbering. 6596960. Well, should be this one 6960 and this one 6961. Yeah. So I've made a mistake. Well. Alright, so 2 puzzles remain. Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese Suguru. Sometimes they call this puzzle also a jigsaw Sudoku. And we have one with the binary puzzle. And this one will be number, apologies, will be number 6962 then. Okay. Let me check. 6962. Yeah. Alright. And this puzzle, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. 16. And before I start, let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. 4 ones and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes in O. And then double 1, here no, there no. Now I need to think. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between this O. Oh, wait. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Here, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here in this third row. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first row, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Finish in 4 minutes. Well. Without comparing, and I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. A tectonic with 4 stars, aka jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.